Okay, again, no? Good day. This will be a continuation sa ating previous video, and it's about how to make a bootable flash drive. And ngayon naman is i-demo ko naman kung paano mag bootable lang flash drive using a YUMI. Okay? YUMI and ISO, no? If kaya, yung bawat isa-isa lang muna para at least kaya mahirapan. Okay, sa CD-ROM, since ito yung kaninang ginawa natin sa Rufus, format ko naman yung if you check kasi kapag at least meron kasi talang tawag merong mga labeling, no, sa Rufus CD-ROM yung lalabas, pero sa Yumi kung hindi ako nagkakamali is multi-boot. Rename or format muna natin. Okay, format not start. Yan, okay, then sa admin hanapin natin yung Rufus. Okay, Yumi. Okay, done siya. Yumi. Okay, then I agree. Then in this part, select device. So yung paano gumawa ng bootable flash drive. Okay, yung mapapansin nyo dito guys sa Rufus, mag-iba sila na in terms of principle how to do the bootable. Not unlike sa Yumi is you need to select your USB devices or your flash drive. Not unlike dito sa Rufus is automatically dinedetect na niya. Oh, automatically si Rufus detecting kung ano mayroong available na pin drive or flash drive. Yung gawin mo lang sa Rufus is select mo na lang, no? Sa step 1, select, then this one is fat, ganon, then select a distribution. Since now we are using Windows single Vista anti-installer, then go to the browse. Okay, if you notice may pagkaiba meron talaga malaking pagkaiba nila, no, in terms of doing this kind of procedure, no. Then that is the thing. Say sa Yumi, 3 step. Samantala sa Rufus, single step. Then create. Then yes. Yun yung pinagkaiba nila, no. Yun is okay, papos ko muna para hindi mahaba yung video. Before I post this one, no, I would like also to add on why I'm not fun of cutting all my video. Also, I'm not fun of cutting my video eh. Yung kulang lang yung talaga yung audio lang. Because in terms of discussion eh, hindi naman talaga makukuha mo yung palaging tama, no? Yung palaging tamang sasabihin, talaga mayroon talaga yung mga adlibs, yung konting glitches o mali sa konting kuan. But nevertheless, okay. Oh, almost done na tayo. So talaga pag in terms of creating bootable flash drive, it takes few minutes of time, at maybe between 10 or 20 minutes to have a bootable flash drive. What I try to suggest, better suggestion is at least you have at least 4 or 5 flash drive on your hand, no? At least hanggang maraming flash drive kasi no one knows kung gagamit ka, at least you have those things, no? Okay, no? Close natin to. Si bootable. Then next tayo. Then would you like to add more? Yes. Okay, no. Pwede din. Lagyan, if you want to add, pwede pa din. No, ganun. Papakita ko na lang no, paano din. Actually, same din procedure. Wala nang reformat na nangyayari dito. Create. Yun lang. Oh. See? That is the good thing of multi-boot. From 10 gig, check natin yung load nito. So, yun. Multi-boot. Sa multi-boot. Kasi naghang, obviously, feel sticky siya dito ang part kasi nagpa-process ito. Dalawa. 7 and 12. Ito yung sa multi-boot. Cancel ko na lang, at least nakita din nyo, no, paano. Yun guys, no, that's it for today. Yun yung how to make a bootable flash drive using Yumi and Rufus. Ito na yung Rufus. Then same time, parang inad ko din yung paano how to make a multi-boot flash drive. Actually guys, there's always a disadvantage and advantage of having a multi-boot. Actually, the good thing sa multi-boot is tipid in terms of flash drive. But in other hand naman, kapag may problema naman yung flash drive na naka-multi-boot, yun yung problema doon. Kasi once you use your multi-boot is intended for reformatting lang. What if kung lagyan mo ng files, di ba? Yun yung masakit na part kasi kapag na-corrupt na yung multi-boot, igagawa ka naman ulit. Not unlike if you have spare flash drive in your hand, at least madali lang maggawa ng bootable. Kasi if you have 7 a different flash drive and you have 8 other flash drive, yun yung pwede ding gawin na lang technique na dalawang flash drive 16 gig o 32 gig na puros multi-boot, parang ganon. Okay, again, thank you for watching, thank you for your time. If you have some, I know there are some issue in terms of audio, but just bear with me. Sooner or later I will purchase those equipment at least to enhance my content of my video. And again, do not forget to subscribe and like and to my YouTube channel, because it can help me, it can motivate me in terms of paggawa ng mga content, as is one way to have a good content is at least you need to motivate. Okay, thank you and God bless.